Oh guys, ganito pala gawin ang bonsai. Oh, tinatalian nila ng wire. Oh, ayan. Tingnan nyo naman ang resulta. Pagkaganda-ganda. Oh. Oh, diba? Pagkaganda-ganda. Laking puno, pero na. Oh. At ito pa, oh. Bonsai garden. It's Mr. Charlie.
More wire. Wire. Same color as the tree.
Yes. Wow, look. Darling, what is in the rooftop? In the top of the roof? The white one?
I don't know.
What's that?
Yeah, good question.
We go there, we look?
Have a look.
What is that? Eto pa, oh. Tuloy-tuloy ang adventure. Wow, bougainvillea. Oh.
No rhododendrons.
Bougainvillea. Wow. Wow, look at that.
Darling, you wanted flowers, you got flowers.
Yes. Wow. Woohoo. Woohoo. Ah. Ah.
Có khúc này thôi hả? Có khúc này thôi, còn như trên kia lại không?
Very pretty. Wow. Yan naman ang tree, oh. Ang tree. Ang flower, oh. Wow. Wow, look. At si Mr. Charlie, oh, namamahinga na.
Look at the size of these ones.
Wow! It's very big.
Big or what?
Wow! Mr. Charlie. Wow! Tingnan nyo namang ang mga koi na to, sobrang lalaki. I think 5 kilos.
Koi.
Yeah, 5 kilos
Yeah,
each.
Yeah, okay.
Wow, grabe, oh, lalaki.
Huge. So colourful.
Yes, very. Wow. Ayan. Oh, 'di ba? Meron din sila dito, bonsai bougainvillea. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. Oh. Bougainvillea. Grabe. Oh, ganda. All is bougainvillea.
I'm not.
Of course you are not.
Look at this one down here.
Ang laki ng puno niya, oh. Different color. Wow. Laki ng puno. Ito pa, oh. Ang ganda, oh. At merong pinakamalaking bougainvillea, oh. Wow. Tingnan nyo naman ang puno. Parang hindi na bougainvillea ito, eh. Ang puno, oh. Lumalaki pala ng ganito kalaki. Giant. That is giant. Laking television, oh. Television, ang laki. More attraction, oh. Kita nyo ba yan? Wow, ang dami na naman koi, oh. Dami. Wow. Wow. Dami. Merong island, oh. At si Mr. Charlie. Wow, oh. Grabe, ang lalaki, oh. Grabe, dami. Wow. I think isa more than 10 kilos. Laki.
Yeah,
Water here, water there.
yeah, but you see that
Come.
you haven't seen that here.
Come.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh!
Heard that?
Wow!
Giá là con 1625.
Wow! Oh, at ito naman, mga cactus. Oh. Wow! Cactus. Yan, oh, ang lalaki. Oh. Cactus. Wow. And more there.
And homestay and hotel and camping everywhere. And in front for you, we see the lap and drive. They ride inside a guidebook. It's had a friend village. That's so many old villa. When friend people they welcome
Yeah.
to the building.
Yes.
And now there are tourists. They want keep them design and then head for the business they lend us, serving with the travel, but not building new one.
Wow. Nice. Yan pa, oh. Different cactus.
You're our people.
Tignan natin yung malalaking lettuce nila. Ah. Lalaking lettuce. Oh. Ay, ang lalaki na. Oh. Wow. At ito, ang mga cherry tomato. Nang lawit-lawit. Ang taas ng puno. Oh, ang daming bunga. Wow. Wow, oh. Wow, dami, oh. Tinatanggalan pala nila ng dahon ito, oh. Para dumami lalo ang bunga. Wow, ang lalaki ng mga puno, oh. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, ayan, ang mga puno, oh. Oh, wow. Grabe, ganito pala, oh. Oh, para siya mga bagin. Punta natin yung kabila. Kabila. Ito. Ayan. Kamatis din siya, guys. Kaya lang, babago pa lang, oh. Kamatis. Cherry tomato din. Maliliit pa lang, oh. Ganito. Ang dami nila, puro hydroponic.
Yep.
Oh.
And very successful.
Yes. Puro hydroponic.
All you need is a bit of flat ground.
Yep.
Very big
Yep.
frame.
Yep.
A lot of plastic.
Yan. Ito. Ang hydroponic nila.